Hi kids, I'm Mr. Eric with Yes, Our Kids Can. I work with DJ Rap and Randy to create great tunes that will motivate you, inspire you to work hard and go to college.
Alrighty kids, it's DJ Rowdy Rap and Randy with Yes, Our Kids Can.
Now I want to show you a sneak peek of some new songs we've created from pre-K to second grade.
Here are some examples of what you can be when you grow up. When I grow up, I want to be an artist.
I love to learn. I love to learn. I love to learn. I love to learn.
It's cool to come to school. Okay.
We can handle stress, just wait and you'll see. Cool, calm, and collectively. I stay cool, calm, and collected. Okay.
When you spend time with Yes, Our Kids Can this year, keep an ear out for these new songs and let us know which one is your favorite.
See you guys later.